Hi, I'm Sam.
And I'm Franca in Etobicoke.
What's going on?
Well, we were pleasantly surprised by winning the Sweepstakes of $25,000 from Lifestyle, and they're here to present us the check.
And tell me, what is your relationship with Lifestyle? How did you guys find out about Lifestyle?
We've been using Lifestyle for years, and when we did our renovation, we had windows and doors to put in, and we had no other choice but to go to Lifestyle.
Well, my husband has used them before, and so we decided to go with them because we know their product is very good. We were pleased with their service and other products that we had received from them. So we decided this was definitely the company we wanted to go for.
Well, majority of them is windows. We've gone with some doors. The nice thing about the Lifestyle window is you can really not only see the difference, but hear the difference because the sound deadening is fantastic. Dealing with Keith is easy. He's like, becomes one of the family. And the installers, the after service has all been fantastic. I wouldn't hesitate 1 second to go with Lifestyle. I think, like I said, it's not only the initial installation, but it's the service after that you have no worries about.
What do you guys plan on doing in the future? So you guys have just won $25,000. What are your plans?
Well, we need a new front door, so definitely a new front door, which we've already picked out. And we're going to do 2 remaining windows that we have in the basement because those need to be done as well, since we do know the products are absolutely amazing.
I want to say just keep up the good work. You do make an excellent product, and you should be very proud of yourselves.
Stay safe and stay healthy and keep up the good work.
I'm Sam,
And I'm Franca from Etobicoke.
and we absolutely love our Lifestyle home products.
Thank you.